Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Power here and I'm back with one more video. Today's video will be very interesting video. In today's video we'll see, actually in today's video I'm giving answer to a few questions like a lot of people are asking me, market is moving like this. I mean market is in a zigzag movement. Zigzag means when it is making some low, then it will bounce back to the high. When it is touching the high, it is coming down to the low. Whenever it is touching low, then immediately it is going back to the high. So typically zigzag movement comes when market goes into consolidation, and people are asking, so what is the performance of your intraday and positional calls, particularly Nifty and Bank Nifty, in this kind of market situation? So mainly in this video we are going to see the positional calls performance along with just few calls, a few uh, quick performance of intraday calls also. So for intraday calls, first of all, the market is in a zigzag movement. The market is not going up, not going down. Whenever it comes down, it goes up, and whenever it touches the high, it is coming down to the low. And if you want to check the performance of intraday calls, you need to join this channel. This is my Telegram channel, Sunil Power Best Option Analyst. And if you search Sunil Power Option King, if you search Sunil Power Option King on Telegram, then you will find this channel. You need to search Sunil Power Option or Sunil Power Option King, and currently there are 4,278 subscribers are there. So this is the channel. The benefit of joining this channel is you will get the performance, calls performance of every day here. Like for example, today this is the call performance that is updated, like a Nifty call 14,750, entry at 83.55, almost doubled. So this is how the call performance is updated intraday. This is what we are able to see, intraday calls which are given to the paid clients, and these calls which were given to the paid clients today. You can see their performance here. Bank Nifty call has doubled. Entry was to 87.98 and it has hit 717 where it has doubled. So every day performance you can see here like this. If you check 27th of April, then you will find Nifty call 14,550, entry at 128, it has hit target. Then Bank Nifty call that has hit target. So intraday calls performance, if you want to check day on day basis, then you will find it on Telegram channel. Now let us see the performance of, see, intraday calls are doing fantastically well, and now we are going to see the performance of positional calls. What is happening in positional calls in this type of zigzag market condition? So positional calls are again given to the paid clients on the same website, equityfact.com, and the service name is Index Weekly Option. Whoever client join this service will get this calls on website. He will get ID and password. He can log in with the ID and password and he can see the calls. Calls are like this. These calls are given on Sunday. See, these calls are given on Sunday, and call and put both are given. Entry prices are given. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put on Monday. And then there are 5 targets, and then there is a stop loss. How to trade these calls? You will find a video there which will tell you how to trade these calls. There are set rules like entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level, or second, wait for the second target when stop loss is hit. If target is hit, then keep trailing stop loss. There is an example of how the trader will trail the stop loss. And fifth is book position when trailing stop loss is hit. Capital required is 60k. Call time is, call will be given on every Sunday. This is most important. Call will be given on every Sunday. Positions to be taken from Monday. This is most important. Call will be given on Sunday. Positions to be taken from Monday. And so this is how the calls are given, and these are the rules. This is the format of the calls, and these are the rules to trade these calls. So what is the performance of these positional calls? In this video we are going to see the performance of this position of calls, and I will tell you the capital has doubled here again. How? Let us see that. See, these calls were given on 25th of April, that was Sunday. So the positions were to be taken from 26th of April. So 26th of April, this Nifty call 14,400, which was given to the clients 14,400, the entry was 190 and it opened at 194. It made a low of 158. It means there was a very easy entry. It was a very easy entry on 26th of April. On Monday, the call given a very good entry. The traders could enter at 190 very easily, and then this is today. Today that same call of Nifty 14,400, which we entered at 190, it has hit 492.75 today. So this is Nifty call 14,400 and the entry is 190.45. It has hit 492.75 today. It means it has hit first target, it has hit second target, it has hit third target, it has hit target 3 today. And how much is the profit? Entry at 190.45, hit 492.75, lot size is 75, profit is 22,672. So friends, this service is basically for the people who are not able to do the intraday trading and the people who want to hold one trade on a positional basis. So in this service, a trader will be given a call on Sunday, and on Sunday he will check the calls. On Monday he will take entry in call or put, whichever crosses entry price. Here the call option cross the entry price of 190, and in next 2-3 days it has hit 3 targets and it has shown a profit of 22,000. So basically the people who are doing job, the traders who are doing job, the traders who are busy with their work, the traders who are doing business, or the traders who are not able to do the intraday trading, these people can take advantage of this service, and this service is really fantastic for them. Since last 3 weeks I am able to see it is doubling, tripling the capital. So now we have seen profit in Nifty where 22,672 is the profit and target 3 was hit. Now what happened about Bank Nifty call 31,800? See here, Nifty put 14,300 has not crossed the entry price, and that's why we have not taken position in put. Bank Nifty put 31,600 has not crossed the entry price of 780, that's why we have not taken position in put. And Bank Nifty call 31,800 crossed the entry price of 698 and we have taken position there. And how many targets it has hit? Let us check that. This is Bank Nifty call 31,800 on 26th April. On Monday it opened at 732. Entry price was 698, around 700. So if trader wanted to take entry here, he can take, otherwise he can wait for the entry price to come, that is 698, and next day on 27th April it has given low of 650, means it has come down to the entry price of 698. So all the traders could easily take the position there, and stop loss was 312, that was not hit. And then later on today that call of 31,800 which made entry at 698 has hit 1970 today. It has hit 1970, means how many targets it has hit? First target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target. It has given far more bigger profit than fifth target. So the lot size is 25 and profit is 31,000 profit. 31,000 profit is shown in Bank Nifty call. So if we add the Nifty profit and Bank Nifty profit together, then the profit is 54,470. This is profit. See friends, this is profit of one lot of Nifty and one lot of Bank Nifty. Only one lot of Nifty, one lot of Bank Nifty. Trader saw the calls on Sunday. He made entry on Monday and Tuesday in Bank Nifty, and then in Nifty Tuesday he made entry, and then you can see the profit. You can see profit is around 54,470. So friends, this service and these calls are actually a great benefit for the traders who are not able to take intraday trades. The people who are not able to track intraday calls or intraday trades, all those people can shift to this service, and where they can make a big money in market. Here in this service you will get 5 targets, only one trade in an entire week, and you just have to follow the targets and stop loss. That's it. You just have to trail the stop loss. And today, see, today I will tell you one passive trading system, passive trading method of trading these calls. If any trader does not, if any trader just don't, he does not want to see target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, he does not want to trail stop loss, he is badly busy with his work, then what he can do, trader can buy 2 lots. Trader can buy 2 lots. One lot he will exit on target. One lot he will exit on target. Other lot he will carry with stop loss on original stop loss. So other lot he will carry with original stop loss till 5 targets are over. See friends, I am telling you a passive trading method on these calls. In these calls, if some trader buys 2 lots, one lot he will, for example, Nifty call 14,400. One lot he will exit on target 1. One lot he will exit on target 1, and other lot he will carry till 5 targets are hit. He will carry without checking target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He will wait straight away directly for target 5 with original stop loss. Here please understand, the trader is not bringing the stop loss on cost. He is carrying that other trade with original stop loss. If that original stop loss is hit, he will still not make any loss, because one target he has already booked in other lot, first lot. So that way he will be free from watching all these 5 targets, and he will be free from trailing the stop loss, and he will just put the stop loss every day, original stop loss every day on his trade, and in between he will be watching the trade. Whenever he see 5 targets or whenever he see good profit, then he will book all the trades and he will close. So that way, if any trader who was carrying this both the lots, one lot he booked on target, other one lot if he was carrying with original stop loss, then today he saw the profit of 54,000, and the trader thought it is a big good profit, and let me close all the positions. That way also the trader can trade. So friends, I have told you the active trading system where you will keep trailing the stop losses, and I have told you the passive trading system where you will buy 2 lots. One lot the trader will book on target, other second lot he will carry till 5th target with original stop loss. So this way, this is the biggest benefit for the traders who are very busy with their work and they are not able to trade intraday calls. Those people can take advantage of active trading system, passive trading system, whichever trading system they want to follow, but they can still make very good money in market. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and do share all these channels and all these calls with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit. And this is really precious knowledge, because in this tough time, this knowledge, this system can really help somebody. So keep sharing all this knowledge with all of your friends in all of your groups, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks.